else said, we can't really hear you too good, Queen. But this I have to do because I'm in a room full of people right now. I write to the pen and the D. This is a Beaufort County opportunity for let people know that you still can put input in, not the comprehensive plan. So for all of them ways, even for go online and putting remarks in and things like that, they bring this here out to the community because they want to make them fair. So everybody got a chance to say something. Well, you still have a chance to put your input in. So you see right there, Envision BeaufortCounty.com. Just go to that website and go and look at the responses that have come in already and put your responses in also. Why is this important? Because just like with the census, it's going to last for a decade. This will inform our comprehensive plan for Beaufort County, South Carolina, here in the Gullah Geechee Nation for another 10 years. So this is your chance. You want some things changed, you want some things to remain the same, make sure the county has your input on the record. Of course, this is our major issue because this term is almost confusing because it's growth. People would think growth is good, but it's not good if it's going to depopulate the community of native Gullah Geechees. So we want to ensure that the growth boundary is protected and that growth boundary stops before it gets to St. Helena Island, where I am right now. Okay? Meaning, we don't want increased densities here on this island. This is one of the last contiguous Gullah Geechee islands all throughout the Gullah Geechee Nation. 90 to 95% Gullah Geechee owned. We need to keep our culture here and sustain it. And the way we do that is by keeping open space, family compounds, land ownership, and our traditions going on our land. Now, if y'all look at this closely, you see that there's some spots here that are all in this dark blue. You see all these crisscrosses and everything. Well, this is Beaufort 2000, they're saying. And then they have the Fort Royal 2000 over there. And what they're looking at is where the growth is posted, where they intend to have that. So where you look at St. Helena, and you see it's shaded as white. If you look on a Google map, it would be green, and much greener than these other areas because it's not overbuilt. And so these are some of the concerns that we have, that these are some things that are being proposed and things that could go on. But here are the principles that they currently have and the key elements. And you'll notice what I am the most concerned about. Cultural overlays. St. Helena Island has the only cultural protection overlay district, not only in Beaufort County, but in South Carolina and in any part of the world that I've found that deals with zoning. It is the only place that I know that has something that says we want to protect the culture of the people that's there through the zoning that we do. Now, in historic preservation, there's all kinds of different overlays, but this is a cultural protection overlay. So we want to keep that in place. That's why it's a key element. So make this something that's an agenda of yours. Make it your priority to get your input in. We'll be posting more about it. We posted before at GullahGeecheeNation.com, but make sure you go to that website. Get your input in. You got some time if you didn't make it here tonight. All right? So peace and blessings, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, and protect the community.